Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Futuristic organic architecture, a sculptural concrete house with flowing curves and large glass windows reflecting warm interior light, set in a misty forest during twilight. Surrounding landscape features soft earth tones with subtle green foliage and scattered boulders, creating a harmonious blend with nature. The ambience is serene and inviting, showcasing an interplay of shadow and light, with dew-kissed plants faintly illuminated. Soft blues and grays of the sky contrast against the warm golden glow emanating from the house's interiors, enhancing the overall tranquility. A contemporary house with an organic, flowing design featuring smooth, curvilinear concrete forms and large glass windows. The scene depicts an evening setting with warm, ambient lighting glowing from inside the home, creating a cozy atmosphere. The exterior is framed by lush greenery and autumnal foliage, with orange and yellow leaves contrasting against the cool gray of the concrete. The patio area showcases sleek black lounge chairs, positioned on a circular stone platform that leads to a neatly manicured lawn. A futuristic, organic-shaped house featuring smooth, flowing concrete lines and expansive glass windows, nestled within a lush, tranquil garden. The setting is during the golden hour, casting warm, soft sunlight across the scene. The architecture blends harmoniously with its natural surroundings, integrating stylish indoor spaces with landscaped elements like carefully arranged boulders and water features. The foreground features a serene pond with lily pads and decorative rocks, while greenery surrounds the property. The interior ambience is inviting, highlighted by elegant lighting fixtures and a cozy living area visible through the glass, showcasing a modern aesthetic. Contemporary architectural masterpiece showcasing a dynamic, sculptural concrete facade, characterized by flowing, organic shapes and ample glass windows. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery, illuminated softly by ambient lighting from inside the house, creating an inviting warmth against the cool concrete tones. The color palette features deep grays and soft earth tones, with reflections and shadows playing across the surfaces. The structure's innovative design includes a winding staircase leading to various levels, emphasizing fluidity and modern aesthetics. Modern architectural marvel, hyperrealistic style, two-story house with organic, flowing shapes and large glass windows, concrete and wooden materials, seamlessly integrated into a lush, green landscape. The house features rounded edges and unique window shapes, showcasing an open floor plan with warm, ambient lighting spilling out. Surrounding the house are diverse plants, including succulents and native shrubs, with a sleek, dark rectangular pool reflecting the structure. A modern, architectural masterpiece featuring a contemporary house with a bold, organic silhouette. The structure is made of smooth, gray concrete, accentuated by large glass panels that reflect the soft, golden light of dusk. Lush greenery surrounds the house, with palm trees and striking succulents enhancing the tropical ambience. In the foreground, a minimalist garden features a serene pond surrounded by smooth rocks and strategically placed outdoor lighting, illuminating the area with a warm glow. The color palette includes earthy tones, such as sandy beige and deep greens, complemented by the warm amber light from within the house. A modern, three-story concrete house surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant foliage, showcasing a seamless blend of architecture and nature. The building features expansive glass windows that reflect the surrounding garden, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The exterior is adorned with hanging plants and vines, emphasizing an eco-friendly aesthetic. Warm ambient lighting is visible inside, creating an inviting atmosphere. A modern architectural masterpiece featuring a sleek, multi-level house with a smooth, organic design. The exterior is a blend of concrete and glass, showcasing large, expansive windows that reflect the warm glow of interior lighting. The structure has a flowing, asymmetrical shape, with rounded edges and overhangs that create a harmonious balance with the surrounding nature. The setting is a serene garden adorned with lush greenery and carefully manicured plants, including cacti and ornamental grasses, creating a peaceful ambience. The scene is bathed in soft twilight, with a gradient sky transitioning from pale blue to warm orange hues. Modern architectural masterpiece at sunset, showcasing a striking two-story house with a blend of glass, wood, and stone materials. The structure features large floor-to-ceiling windows reflecting the warm golden hues of the evening light, surrounded by lush greenery. A sleek swimming pool mirrors the house's elegant lines, with minimalist outdoor furniture placed thoughtfully on a wooden deck. The setting should convey a tranquil atmosphere, using a hyperrealistic style to capture every detail, from the texture of the stone wall to the warmth of the wooden accents. A modern, architectural masterpiece set in a lush, green environment, showcasing a sleek concrete structure with large glass windows and intricate, artistic patterns integrated into the walls. The scene is captured during twilight, filling the exterior with a warm, ambient glow from strategically placed lighting. The foreground features a manicured lawn with subtle landscaping elements like tropical plants and soft lighting effects. The setting conveys a harmonious blend of nature and contemporary design, highlighting details such as the reflective water feature in front of the house and the inviting outdoor seating area. A modern three-story house with a sleek design, featuring expansive glass walls illuminated by warm golden light from within. The structure is partially covered in lush greenery, with various plants cascading down from balconies and rooftops. The setting exudes a tranquil atmosphere, surrounded by a garden of tropical plants and trees, creating a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. The color palette includes earthy tones, such as concrete gray, deep greens, and warm wood accents, set against a soft evening sky that adds a touch of serenity. Modern minimalist architecture surrounded by a serene Japanese garden. The scene captures a stylish house with large glass windows, showcasing a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. A tranquil pond reflects the surrounding greenery, with smooth stones scattered artistically along the banks.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.